Welcome to Auto Apex, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, price updates, and in-depth comparisons. If you're passionate about cars, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the details of the highly awaited 2025 Honda Amaze. Known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and premium features, the Amaze has been a top choice for sedan lovers in India. With the new model, Honda aims to enhance the driving experience while maintaining affordability. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Honda Amaze gets a fresh new look with a redesigned front grille, sleeker LED headlamps, and sportier bumper styling. The chrome accents on the front and rear add to its premium appeal. The alloy wheels have also been updated, giving the sedan a more dynamic stance. Overall, Honda has made sure that the Amaze not only looks stylish but also stands out in the segment. Moving to the interiors, the new Amaze offers a more refined cabin with soft touch materials and an improved dashboard layout. The touchscreen infotainment system now supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensuring seamless connectivity. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data, and the steering-mounted controls make it convenient to handle music and calls without distractions. The seats are more comfortable with premium fabric or leather upholstery, depending on the variant. On the performance front, the 2025 Amaze continues to offer a 1.2 Liv TEC petrol engine that delivers a smooth and efficient ride. It is expected to produce around 90 PS of power and 110 Nm of torque, paired with a 5-speed manual or a CVT automatic transmission. Honda is also likely to introduce a hybrid or CNG variant later, catering to the growing demand for fuel-efficient alternatives. Now, let's talk about the most important factor, price. The expected starting price of the 2025 Honda Amaze in India is around 7.50 lakh rupees for the base variant. The mid-range variant could be priced between 8.50 to 9.50 lakh rupees, while the fully loaded top-end variant may go up to 10.50 lakh rupees. Prices may vary based on city, dealership discounts, and introductory offers. Honda has also taken safety to the next level in the new Amaze. It now comes equipped with 6 airbags in the top variants, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill start assist, and a reinforced chassis for better crash protection. The addition of a rear parking camera with dynamic guidelines makes parking in tight spaces much easier. One of the strongest selling points of the Honda Amaze has always been its fuel efficiency. The petrol version is expected to deliver around 18 to 20 km/h, while the diesel variant, if introduced, could offer up to 24 km/h, making it a great choice for city and highway drives. Honda's strong after-sales service and widespread dealership network ensure that customers get hassle-free maintenance and support. The brand is also expected to offer an extended warranty and attractive service packages for added peace of mind. Another exciting aspect is the possibility of new color options, which could further enhance the appeal of the 2025 Amaze. If you're considering buying a sedan in this segment, it's worth taking a test drive to experience the changes firsthand. The competition is tough, but the Honda Amaze has always been known for its refinement and smooth driving experience. So, who should buy the new Honda Amaze? If you are looking for a stylish, feature-loaded, and fuel-efficient compact sedan that is easy to maintain and has a strong resale value, the Amaze is definitely worth considering. It competes directly with the Maruti Suzuki Dzire, Hyundai Aura, and Tata Tigor, offering a solid blend of comfort and performance. What do you think about the new 2025 Honda Amaze? Would you choose it over its rivals? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Apex for more exciting car updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.